Guys, this is a 2021 Mercedes-Benz AMG CLA35. I'm going to show you how to do the service interval and all that fun stuff. So to start, you're going to press the engine start button once to get to this odometer setting. Okay, then you're going to press this back button and press this black button for 5 seconds. Let go, press the back button, and you're going to scroll to the right and you're going to be in workshop mode now. You're going to have this tile. Press the black enter button, scroll down to Assyst Plus, full service, confirm service, and you can click your oil grade. We'll do this one. Service carried out, yes. Confirm. So that's how you reset it, and that's how you get into that workshop mode. And again, this is a 2021 Mercedes-Benz CLA35, but this works with pretty much any of the Mercedes-Benz, I think 2018 and newer. So hopefully that helped, and thanks for watching.